Guys how to work with the if-error function and the sum function. So as you guys can see here, there's an error, right? There's some kind of error going on here. When we click on it right here, where you would put in your function, it's saying that there's an error with this, okay? But when you see a little error like this, it kind of throws you off. So people want to put a name on it or guide the person that's inputting something, guide them so they don't just see an error and they don't even know why. So we're gonna go ahead and add a name to it. So we're gonna nest inside of this the if error function. So we're gonna go right here next to the equal sign, and we're gonna put if error, and then we're gonna go on the right side, put a comma, and then we're going to put if error, it will display missing total, end of the quotation mark, and then parentheses, and then enter. So now it's going to say missing. So now when you click it, now the person, instead of just seeing those numbers, it's going to be like, okay, it's going to be missing the total. So it's missing this total right here. So that's why the error is occurring, because in cell F5, which is right here, there's nothing. So it's missing the total, and that's why it's giving an error. So that's how you can kind of put if error into use. And then we want all of these to repeat the same thing. So if there's an error, we want to make sure that whoever's fixing this data can understand what the error is. So we're just going to fill this with the same. So there we go. So now all of these B, C, D, E, and F will display an error if it's no good. So we're going to go back here to the missing total, and we're going to go ahead and fix it using the sum function. So we're going to go here on F, and we're going to put in the sum function. So sum, and we want to sum all of these totals. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and input B5 through E5. And parentheses, enter. So now we have the $20,724, and now that the total is correct, it's not giving us the error message no more. But if there was an error, it will display missing total. So now we have the 5%, and then boom, 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 and that's it, just like that.